let's start off by prepping my face with some primer to give that nice smooth finish for when we apply some foundation. Once that's all blended in, I'm going in with a damp beauty sponge and my foundation, and I'm just applying it all over my face and neck, really making sure to blend it in. Then I'm going in with some concealer and color corrector to hide the dark bags under my eyes from being a new mom, and I'm going to blend that out and make it look nice and like I'm alive again. Once that's done, I'm going in with a damp beauty sponge and applying some powder so it doesn't crease or set weird. Once that's done, I'm also applying it to my cheekbone to give a nice contoured jaw cheek effect. You know, the nice sculpted look that they have? I'm doing that with the powder. Oh, look at that sculpt. Once that's done, I'm going in with a black brow pencil and I'm just lining and filling in my eyebrows for that nice, sharp, polished look that they have in the 1920s. Once it's all filled in, I'm making sure to go in with a little brow brush to blend it out and make it look more smooth and a little more natural. Don't forget to do the same thing to the other eyebrow, or you'll look kind of funny. Then I'm going in with a concealer and a flat sculpting brush. This gives a nice polished look of the underbrow so it looks very clean and neat. Now that that's done, I'm going in with a fluffy brush and some contour powder. I'm doing my temples, my cheekbones, and the jawline, just to sculpt my face a little bit. Then going in with a nice pink blush, I'm applying that heavily to my cheekbones and apples of my cheeks. Now it's on to the eyes. So going in with a brown eyeshadow, I'm blending it to the outer corner and into the crease and a little bit up to the brow to give that nice soft look that they have for makeup. Applying the same thing to the opposite eye. Now for the highlight of the inner corner, I'm taking a damp brush and some pearl eyeshadow, and I'm just applying that to the inner corner and working it to the lid just a little bit to give that nice pop on the eye. Now with some black liquid eyeliner, I'm applying a very dramatic wing liner look and bringing it all together to the inner corner and across the eye. Look how sharp that is. Now with a black eyeshadow and a pencil brush, I'm applying a little bit to the outer corner of my lower lash just to bring it all together and look more dramatic. Then with a black eyeshadow and my tight lining brush, I'm just applying that black eyeshadow to my tight line to fill in any creases that the eyeliner couldn't reach. Prepping my eyes for mascara. Oh yeah, gotta go with that bad boy. Apply a nice, generous, heavy amount of mascara to the eye. And for the bottom lashes, make sure to keep it just to the outer corner where the black eyeshadow was put to still keep it soft and very feminine. For the lips, I'm going in with a very deep red liquid lipstick. And for the center top cupid's bow, make sure to keep it very sharp and a V. This is important in the makeup look from the 1920s. Fill in the rest of the lip like so. And there you have it. There is the makeup look for the 1920s. Now going on, I'm applying my wig cap to hide my luscious locks. And I'm going to put on this roaring 20s flapper wig from Wholesale Halloween Costumes. Popping that on, styling it how I want it, getting it all pretty. There is the complete head look with the wig. Now for the dress. I'm going with this fringe flapper costume from Wholesale Halloween Costumes. And that is what it looks like on. There is the whole look put together, dress, makeup, wig, and all. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to Wholesale Halloween Costumes, as well as check out my channel, Caitlin Krakowicz, for more looks like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!